What you doing? Are you cleaning? Just like Mama? Good job. Yeah. You got the paper towels all by yourself. And you love the Swiffer. Yeah, I know. You love it. Yeah. Clean, clean, clean. Good job. Where are you going? And you going to wipe something else down? Yeah? Okay.